Hi, I'm Terry Vincent-Jones, founder and formulator of SynTernals supplements, providing clean science wellness support from the inside out. Now, when I formulated DermaGut, I wasn't trying to create another gut powder. There are plenty out there already. What I really wanted was a formula that targets the gut-skin relationship, or the gut-skin axis. Evidence now clearly shows that gut health is reflected in skin, so this video dives deep into the important gut-skin axis. The gut and the skin are in constant communication with each other, and when the gut barrier is compromised or the microbiome is out of balance, the body produces inflammatory signals, and these signals reach the skin, and that can have significant influence on such factors as hydration, firmness, elasticity and barrier strength, and basically overall skin resilience. This is why digestion and skin quality are often so intimately connected. DermaGut Plus works through this gut-skin axis using two very targeted ingredients. The first is partially hydrolyzed guar gum, also known as PHGG. This is a clinically researched, low FODMAP prebiotic fibre. I chose PHGG because it supports regularity and digestive wellness without the bloating or discomfort that so many other fibres tend to cause. It's very gentle, easily soluble, well tolerated, and it's suitable for daily use. And without oversharing, I'd like to add that I actually suffered from digestive issues for decades, and this particular ingredient was a total game changer for my overall digestive health. The second and very innovative ingredient is Lactobacillus plantarum. Now, this is a strain-specific probiotic highlighting the interaction between the gut and the skin, with human data showing improvements in hydration, firmness and skin elasticity. Data matters. I prefer one science-backed strain with clear outcomes over using non-specific generalised probiotics with no defined role linked to the data. Together, these two ingredients support digestive health and gut wellness initially, then over time they help reduce the internal stress signals to improve the gut barrier function, which in turn supports visible positive skin changes. Elegance of formulation of course matters with creating supplements. A good formula will always mean compliance of use for everyone, and DermaGut Plus is unflavoured and it doesn't change consistency. It mixes so easily into water, smoothies or yogurt without even changing the taste or texture. This product is about targeted precision, simultaneously supporting the gut and the skin. It's also about harnessing the evidence, and that's where real, lasting change begins.